All right, so we're gonna take a look at MicroStrategy. Obviously, the number one company in the world as far as Bitcoin holdings at 450,000 Bitcoin. Yeah, man. Again, to put it in perspective, and I'll show you this a little later, they have more than double of the leading country in the world as far as Bitcoin. The United States of America just has under 200,000, and they have 2.5 times that, guys. Again, Michael Saylor is an absolute Chad, and he's absolutely killing this stuff, man. He is killing it. But you got all these companies down here leading. These are all the leading companies in the world as far as Bitcoin holdings. You got Marathon Digital. You got at 17,000. You got Riot Platforms. Marathon Digital has almost 45,000, and Tesla has about 10,000 too. Coinbase is an exchange. You got a lot of exchanges out here and stuff like that. So yeah, Semler Scientific. This is a good one here. They own 2,321. Again, for a small company like that, that's really, really good. So that's really, really impressive. So yeah, those are leading companies in the world as far as holding Bitcoin. And again, in the future, this list is going to keep growing and growing. This is why we got to front run these companies, man, to make sure we can even be richer in these companies by stacking these Satoshis. All right, let's see what the ETFs are doing. Let's see what they did yesterday. So BlackRock bought 318 Bitcoin, which is pretty impressive. Fidelity bought 4,600 Bitcoins. Grayscale bought 503 Bitcoin or Bitcoins. R21 bought 1384, Bitwise 327, Grayscale Mini. This is the spinoff of Grayscale with the lower fees. 137, VanEck 169, Invesco 57, Franklin Templeton 56, for a total of over 7,500 Bitcoin yesterday. Guys, I'm not a mathematician here, but we only mine 450 a day. How many days of mining is that these ETFs just took off the market in one day? You do the math, man. 450 times 10 is 4,050. So 20 days, 19, 18 days. I don't know. This is insane, man. What's going on here? So now they have a total of 1,140,988 Bitcoins total out of the 21 million supply. Again, guys, this is insane. This is insane. So let's take a look at the overview of these ETFs. This is the breakdown of their fees. As you can see, BlackRock is 0.25. They hold on Coinbase. If I had to do a ETF, I would definitely pick Fidelity because the fee is low and also they do self-custody. I would really consider that because all these other ones are on Coinbase. Again, Coinbase is a honeypot. In my opinion, is just something I wouldn't deal with, me personally. And then you got the ETFs Bitcoin holding since inception, since January 10th. And as you go up, as you move over to the right, IBIT keeps increasing, which I'll show you in another animation. And you got the color code and everything else, which I love. And then this right here is an incredible animation. It shows you exactly what everybody did in the beginning as of January 10th, 2024, when the gold rush started. As you can see, Grayscale up here has 619,000 Bitcoin, but as you'll soon see, they're going to start hemorrhaging. And this guy right here, IBIT, is going to catch him really, really quick. So let's take a look at that. Look at that, man. Look at the dates. Look at the accumulation of Bitcoin, how many they got. Because again, Grayscale is falling off. Can you imagine they kept their fees? Can you imagine they lowered their fees and kept their Bitcoin? My Lord. You talking about supply crunch? Look at IBIT up here, man. Killing it. Absolutely killing it. So this is even a couple of days old, guys. This is as of January 13th, and today's the 16th. So once this gets updated, it's going to be crazy. All right, the flows are still as of January 13th. That hasn't been updated yet. And this right here is a chart of the daily flows right here. The yellows going this way up is going up. This is how much they bought, and this is when they sold off. But again, as you can see, just like Bitcoin's chart, it's going up and to the right. There's going to be up and down days, even with the ETFs. But again, it's just going up and to the right. They own in total over 1 million Bitcoin. You think that's going to slow down? Absolutely not. And here's the holding chart. You can see this right here in the green, the orange for MicroStrategy. Even though they're not an ETF, they're still up there. ETFs, miners, listed companies, Tether. It's incredible, man. Look at this, man. When you think about this finite asset, it's just crazy, man.